Hello everyone. Today we are going to do an unboxing video of one of the Godox lights SL150 Mark II. As you can see, I have just received this light and I am pretty psyched about it. So let's see how this goes. In the recent past, Godox have come up with some great lights, and as you can see, this is one of the recent lights that has come out. Let me unbox it. So this is how the light looks. It's a good build, and if you can see, this is the fan, the yellow fan. Lately, if you can see the lights that have been coming out, Godox has really been playing around keeping the lights very silent. So this light is one of those that has a feature that you can turn off the fan. Let's see how this works. Huge heat sinks in them, I can see, and this is a bit heavy. This is where you can tighten and tighten. Okay, it has an umbrella jack as well. You can see the yellow fan. Obviously it will turn on when the light is hot. It has a good build quality, similar to the kind of lights the UL series and the VL series. So SL Mark II, this is the display. Dimmer button, it's good. Function buttons and channel button, and this is the most important button in this light. It turns the fan off, and you will lose some power, but obviously it will reduce the noise factor. And I think Godox have really been working towards making these lights very silent for studios and video recording, whether it may be vlogs or product videos, and wherever it is required that you need the light to be silent. So this is good, and here is a clip to remove this plastic cover. Let's remove it. Do not let it stay attached when you turn on the lights. This will melt. Okay, this is good. This is a clip over here to remove it. Otherwise, I have seen the previous lights that there were some buttons, metal buttons, which sometimes was annoying. It comes with the standard reflector. This is similar to what you will find in the other lights as well. This is okay. It's nice. The light is not battery operated. You will have to directly connect it with the power. This is the power cord. I have heard reviews that people think that this is very short. So, but this is not battery operated light. This is one thing that you will have to compromise, because this is the budget light. It's cheaper than the VL150 and the UL series. So this is the remote that has come with this. It's a plastic remote. I have to put some cells in so that I can show you. Okay, you can control the light from this remote. This is really interesting. Nice. So this is a budget light, and it targets a market where you save some money by compromising on the fact like this light came in a box. It does not have a case. Secondly, this is not a battery operated light, so you have a power cord that directly connects into the power, and some of the reviews say that the cable is very short. That means you will have to put an extension to make it long, so you can use it in a studio Thirdly, this light is a bit heavy compared to the others, and it has a cooler and magenta effect when using it for skin tones. So this light goes to around 2350 lux, and if you put a reflector on, it will go at around 6440 lux. I have not used this light, I've just got this light. I am taking this from reviews that I've seen online on YouTube. Some of the channels I will mention in the link below. The one channel that I follow for tech reviews for especially cameras and lights and lenses is Jared Undone. He has some great reviews. Is the way he reviews certain cameras and in-depth study about how they work, what are the strong points, pros and cons. I really like the way he explains the technology around things. So go and watch his video. He has done this video with UL light as well. There are some other reviews that I've seen. I will put the links below. So this is a great light, but I would have personally gone for VL 150 if I had the budget and the availability as well in my region. You can either save some money or go for quality, but still I think this is a great light. I will use it and let you know in my coming videos. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.